Welcome to our interactive map about redlining and property values. This map was designed and created by Mark Friesen, Carrie Hanko, and Liz Poole. Upon loading the page, the user will see an interactive map centered on the U.S. In the top right corner, in the title banner area, is an About Redlining button. Clicking on this button pops up a modal pop-up with an explanation of what redlining is, as well as a brief history of its implementation in the United States. It also describes what the historic Home Owners Loan Corporation, or HOLC, maps are and the reason for their creation. A panel along the left edge of the map contains a city drop-down, an overview of how to use the map, a breakdown of the 1930s HOLC neighborhood grading system, and a list of our sources. The drop-down menu allows the user to select one of 5 cities that we chose for our map study. Upon selecting a city, the map flies to the chosen location and zooms to city level. The default data layer shown is a choropleth map of single-family residences in the city, with the color scheme representing current property values. A legend in the lower left corner also appears with the property value key for the city. The user can zoom into a residential parcel by double-clicking, mouse scrolling, or using the provided zoom buttons on the map. Clicking on a residential parcel will pop up its address as well as its property value and how its value compares to the city average. Buttons located in the top right corner allow the user to toggle the available map layers, including turning off the default property value layer. The HOLC Areas button toggles the color-coded polygon neighborhoods used in the historic HOLC maps. The Historic Map button loads a geo-rectified image of the actual historic redlining maps created by HOLC in the 1930s. Finally, a Demographics button displays a choropleth map of the city's racial demographics, broken down into U.S. Census blocks. Because of the discriminatory nature of the original HOLC map grading system, we chose to map the current racial demographics of the census blocks by percentage of non-white population. Clicking on a census block populates the info box with this information, as well as the median household income for that block. The legend also updates with the demographics key. Toggling combinations of layers will allow the user to show how a neighborhood's perceived lending desirability in the 1930s has impacted property values and racial segregation even today. A search box located near the top left corner allows users to input a specific address and fly to that location. The user can easily click on the searched parcel to learn more information about it. Selecting a new city from the drop-down menu will fly the map to the newly selected city. The layers reset to the default of the single-family residence parcels. However, the Layers button in the top right corner are available to toggle the other layers on and off as needed.